Imagine this for a moment. You wake up in the morning and your vision feels sharper, your mind feels clearer, and recalling even the tiniest details from yesterday is effortless. Sounds almost magical, right? What if I told you that your body has the ability to repair and rejuvenate itself while you sleep, and the secret lies in what you drink before bedtime? Tonight, I want to share with you the top 4 juices that can naturally restore your vision and boost your memory. And the best part is, they work while you're resting. Imagine the incredible power your body holds while you sleep, silently repairing, restoring, and rejuvenating every system within you. One of the most transformative ways to tap into this power is through the simple act of drinking a nutrient-rich juice before bedtime. The combination of carrots and beetroots is a powerhouse elixir that supports your eyes in ways most people overlook. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, a nutrient your body converts into vitamin A, which is critical for maintaining clear, healthy vision. Every night, as you rest, your eyes are repairing tiny microdamages caused by screen exposure, sunlight, and daily strain. And beta-carotene acts like a silent helper, giving your retina the tools it needs to regenerate. Imagine waking up and noticing the world in sharper focus, the details that once seemed blurry becoming crisp, vibrant, and alive. That's the hidden magic happening while your body works quietly to restore your vision. Beetroots, on the other hand, play a complementary role that enhances this nightly regeneration. Rich in nitrates, beetroots improve blood flow throughout your body, including the delicate blood vessels in your eyes. This enhanced circulation ensures that every essential nutrient reaches your ocular tissues efficiently, amplifying the effects of the beta-carotene from carrots. Think about this. A single glass of this juice before bed acts as a delivery system for nutrients, feeding your eyes exactly what they need to function at their best. It's not just about preventing deterioration, it's about actively repairing and strengthening the intricate systems that allow you to see clearly every single day. Nighttime is when your body's repair systems are at their peak. While most people sleep unaware, cellular processes in your eyes are ramping up, clearing oxidative stress, repairing tissue, and strengthening the photoreceptors that let you perceive light and color. You don't need to spend hours in front of screens or endure exhausting exercises to achieve better eye health. Nature provides a simple, delicious, and powerful solution. The beauty of this juice is that it's more than just eye care. The antioxidants in carrots and beetroots combat inflammation, neutralize free radicals, and protect your eyes from damage caused by modern lifestyles. Every sip is like a shield forming around your delicate tissues, preparing them to face the next day with resilience. Imagine drinking this at night and knowing that while you sleep, your body is quietly reversing damage, improving blood flow, and actively supporting your visual clarity. The impact doesn't stop there. Enhanced circulation and nutrient delivery also benefit the brain because your eyes and brain are intimately connected. Clearer vision supports sharper thinking, better focus, and improved cognitive performance, creating a ripple effect that transforms your entire day. Consistency is the true secret. One night won't create miracles, but a few weeks of incorporating this juice into your nightly routine allows your body to harness the full potential of these nutrients. You're not just drinking juice, you're engaging in a deliberate, science-backed habit that empowers your body to repair, restore, and thrive naturally. Every glass is an act of self-care, a proactive choice to optimize your health with minimal effort. Imagine the satisfaction of waking up each morning to brighter vision, enhanced mental clarity, and the quiet confidence that comes from knowing you are giving your body exactly what it needs while you rest. Picture this. While your body rests, your brain and eyes are silently working, processing, repairing, and rejuvenating. One of the most effective ways to support this natural nightly restoration is through a juice rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients like a blueberry and spinach super blend. Blueberries are widely celebrated for their high levels of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that target oxidative stress in the eyes and brain. Every day, our eyes and neurons are exposed to free radicals, harmful molecules that slowly damage cells, leading to blurred vision, memory lapses, and mental fatigue. Drinking a glass of blueberry juice before bed floods your system with these protective compounds, creating an internal shield that works tirelessly while you sleep. Imagine your neurons being fortified and your eyes shielded without you even lifting a finger. Spinach, when blended with blueberries, adds another layer of potent protection. It is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, nutrients that accumulate in the retina and act as natural sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light and reducing eye strain. Think about this. Every night, while you are dreaming, your eyes are absorbing these nutrients, enhancing visual acuity, reducing fatigue, and protecting the delicate structures within the retina. This is not just maintenance, it is active improvement. The synergy of blueberries and spinach ensures that your eyes and brain are not only protected, but primed for optimal performance. The connection between your eyes and your memory is profound. When your vision is clear and your eyes are functioning efficiently, the brain can process information more effectively. Blueberries support neurogenesis, the growth of new neurons, and improve communication between brain cells. Beyond their antioxidant content, blueberries and spinach reduce inflammation, a silent culprit behind cognitive decline and eye fatigue. The polyphenols in blueberries calm inflammatory processes, while spinach nourishes your tissues with essential vitamins and minerals, creating a restorative environment for your eyes and brain. Imagine your body entering a state of repair, repairing microscopic damage, enhancing circulation, and improving neural communication while you are unaware. Each sip of this juice is an investment in your future vision and memory, a deliberate choice to harness the body's natural repair mechanisms. Consistency amplifies these benefits. Drinking this juice once in a while is helpful, but incorporating it nightly allows your body to build cumulative defenses against oxidative stress and inflammation. You are not just passively consuming nutrients, you are actively creating a system where your eyes can see more clearly and your mind can remember more effortlessly. Imagine waking up each morning with your vision sharper colors, more vivid, details more distinct, and your mind recalling events with clarity that seemed impossible before. This super blend also fosters a sense of empowerment. Many people resign themselves to memory lapses or eye strain as unavoidable aspects of aging or modern life. But by drinking a simple blueberry and spinach juice before bed, you are taking control, using nature's most potent compounds to support your health in a profound, science-backed way. Your nightly routine becomes more than a habit. It becomes a ritual of self-care, a commitment to nurturing your vision and your mind. You are not only protecting your present, but actively shaping your future. Every night, as your body enters its deepest stages of rest, a silent, extraordinary repair process begins in your brain and eyes. One of the most powerful ways to enhance this natural restoration is by consuming a juice made from turmeric, ginger, and orange before bedtime. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin works at a cellular level to reduce inflammation in the brain and eyes, combat oxidative stress, and protect neurons from damage. Imagine your brain cells quietly repairing themselves overnight while curcumin strengthens them, enhancing communication between neurons and improving your cognitive performance without any conscious effort. This is the kind of natural intervention that can transform mental clarity and support memory retention. Ginger complements turmeric by improving blood circulation, ensuring that essential nutrients reach every corner of your brain and every tiny vessel in your eyes. Improved blood flow supports oxygen delivery, accelerates the removal of waste products, and enhances the body's natural repair mechanisms. When combined with the vitamin C rich orange, this juice becomes more than just a drink, it becomes a regenerative elixir. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen synthesis, maintaining the integrity of blood vessels in your eyes and supporting overall tissue health. Imagine drinking a glass of this vibrant juice and knowing that while you sleep, your eyes are being nourished, your neurons are being strengthened, and your memory is being enhanced. Modern lifestyles place immense strain on both vision and cognitive function. Hours spent staring at screens, exposure to artificial light, and the constant influx of information create oxidative stress that accumulates over time. Turmeric, ginger, and orange work together to counteract these effects naturally. Curcumin neutralizes free radicals, ginger improves circulation, and vitamin C repairs and strengthens vascular structures. This combination ensures that the repair processes happening in your eyes and brain are not just passive recovery, but active rejuvenation. Your body is being supplied with the exact nutrients it needs to reverse micro damages, protect against future stress, and enhance long-term function. Memory, focus, and mental clarity are closely linked to eye health. When your eyes are functioning optimally, your brain receives clear signals, making it easier to process information and retain details. Drinking this juice before bed enhances these signals and supports neural pathways responsible for memory consolidation. Imagine waking up remembering things more vividly, recalling events effortlessly, and experiencing sharper focus throughout your day. This is the direct impact of nourishing your body with the right compounds while you rest, allowing nature to perform its remarkable work. Beyond immediate benefits, regular consumption of this juice strengthens resilience against age-related cognitive decline and vision deterioration. Curcumin in turmeric supports neuroplasticity, ginger maintains healthy circulation, and vitamin C ensures that delicate eye tissues remain strong. You are not just preventing damage, you are actively supporting repair, protection, and regeneration. Every sip you take before bed initiates a cascade of biochemical processes that reinforce your vision and enhance memory, giving your body the tools to heal and strengthen itself naturally. Consistency magnifies these benefits. Incorporating this juice into your nightly routine turns a simple act into a powerful health practice. The synergy of turmeric, ginger, and orange creates a unique combination that addresses inflammation, circulation, and tissue repair simultaneously. Imagine embracing a routine where each night becomes an opportunity to optimize your health, to nourish your brain, and to restore your vision. This is more than a juice, it's a scientifically grounded approach to harnessing your body's innate repair mechanisms while you sleep, allowing you to wake up refreshed, mentally sharp, and visually clear. Your body possesses an extraordinary ability to repair and rejuvenate itself while you sleep. And one of the most powerful ways to harness this potential is through the simple act of drinking a nutrient-rich juice before bed. A combination of pomegranate and carrot creates a potent elixir that supports both memory and vision in ways that few people realize. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenols, compounds that improve blood vessel flexibility, enhance circulation, and increase nutrient delivery to critical tissues in the brain. Every night, as your body rests, these polyphenols ensure that oxygen and vital nutrients reach every cell, repairing microscopic damage and strengthening the delicate structures that allow you to see clearly and think sharply. Imagine waking up with your vision more precise, your mind more alert, and your memory functioning effortlessly. Carrots bring their own powerful benefits to the mix, providing beta-carotene that converts into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for maintaining healthy eyes. Vitamin A supports the regeneration of photoreceptors in the retina, helping your eyes recover from daily strain caused by screens, sunlight, and environmental stressors. When paired with pomegranate, carrots not only support visual health, but also contribute to overall cognitive function, because clear, well-nourished eyes provide more accurate signals to the brain. Think about this. Each glass of juice is an opportunity to nourish your body at the cellular level, ensuring that your brain and eyes are not merely surviving, but thriving. Memory formation and retention are deeply connected to blood flow and nutrient supply. Pomegranate's polyphenols improve vascular function, allowing nutrients and oxygen to reach neurons more efficiently, which enhances memory consolidation during sleep. Carrots, meanwhile, provide antioxidants that protect neurons from oxidative stress and support long-term cognitive health. Drinking this juice nightly empowers your brain to repair damage, strengthen connections between neurons, and retain information more effectively. Imagine the feeling of waking up able to recall details effortlessly, remembering faces, names, and events with clarity that once seemed impossible. Daily lifestyle factors, screen time, exposure to artificial light, stress, and age can gradually diminish both vision and memory. Pomegranate and carrot juice directly counteract these stressors, reducing oxidative damage, promoting circulation, and supplying the essential nutrients your body needs to perform optimally. Your eyes and brain are constantly working even while you sleep, and this juice provides the support they require to maintain peak performance. Imagine the quiet power of these nutrients working while you dream, repairing cells, strengthening vessels, and preparing you for a sharper, more focused day ahead. The synergy of pomegranate and carrot is remarkable. Pomegranate enhances blood flow and supplies antioxidants that protect neural tissue, while carrots provide vitamin A for retinal health. Together, they create a natural system of repair and nourishment that supports vision and cognitive function simultaneously. Each sip fuels the body's innate ability to regenerate, creating a foundation for long-term health and mental clarity. Imagine making this a nightly habit and observing subtle but transformative changes in your vision and memory over time. The clarity, focus, and mental sharpness that follow are the result of your body finally receiving the nutrients it needs while you rest. Consistency in this practice amplifies its benefits. One glass occasionally is helpful, but incorporating it nightly ensures your body can maximize the repair process. Every evening becomes an investment in your health, a deliberate act of self-care that allows your brain and eyes to recover from daily stress. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that while you sleep, you are not just resting, but actively supporting your vision, enhancing memory, and fortifying your brain. The combination of pomegranate and carrot transforms your nightly routine into a powerful, science-backed strategy for optimizing your health naturally, letting you wake up refreshed, mentally sharp, and visually clear. So tonight, as you prepare for rest, remember this: health is not a dream. It's an action you take even in the quiet moments before sleep. Drink wisely, nourish your body, and wake up each morning seeing the world more clearly and remembering life more vividly than ever before.